Before I invite Governor Lusaka, who will be speaking on behalf of the Lake Region Economic Bloc, as well as on behalf of the Council of Governors, allow me to make a few remarks in the interest of time, Your Excellency. First, I want to welcome you officially to Kakamega, all the guests, to this inaugural Kakamega International Investment Conference, whose theme is opening up counties as the new frontiers of investment and development. When you look at that theme, Your Excellency, it goes in line with your bottom-up economic transformation agenda, because we believe that production at the grassroots is what is important for us to achieve our economic potential. Kakamega's huge economic potential, which has been untapped, and that is why this is the time that you want to showcase what Kakamega has in terms of agriculture value chains, in terms of dairy value chains, poultry value chains. We have opportunities in health. We are looking forward to seeing our level 6 hospital being completed, equipped, and operationalized. So that is an opportunity to our investors. We are looking at establishing Kakamega Cancer Center. At the moment, we are only doing 500. Cancer being one of the chronic illness diseases, we need to have a facility in the region. Your Excellency, on matters of environment, we are very particular about conserving our Kakamega forest, which is the only existing tropical rainforest in East Africa. We have to protect our water catchment areas. We have opportunities for research. For our researchers in the house, we have opportunity to go to Kakamega Forest so that you can unlock the potential which has not been exploited. Finally, Your Excellency, on matters natural resources, we have gold deposits worth 500 billion Kenya shillings here in Kakamega. And when I talk about that, I can see most investors smiling. That is an opportunity that we can partner with you so that we can unlock the potential which has not been exploited. On the area of social development, I'm happy that KCB is already supporting us on the housing project. Most has 21,000 students. We need hostels. Our Galagala National Polytechnic has 14,000 students. We need hostels. Your Excellency, I want to invite our investors to complement the affordable program of housing for the national government, so that Kakamega, having a population of 2.5 million people, already we have a ready market to exploit so that we can showcase. And finally, on the area of agriculture as well, through our county aggregation and industrial parks, I'm very happy that we have youth who are now enthusiastic on going organic farming, as that is the way to go. Because as a matter of climate response, we need to go organic farming as opposed to synthetic farming. In the interest of time, Your Excellency, I want to wish all the participants a fruitful 3 days investment conference. We have our investment agency which is ready to follow through all the MOUs that we are going to sign. So it is not just a talk show, but a conference that will have outputs that can be impactful to the people of Kakamega and to the country at large. With your permission, Your Excellency, allow me to invite